In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows or columns bigger in Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon, the App Launcher. Click that to open Google's Apps menu, and then choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets, where you can open the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you already have your file handy, just click to open it and wait a moment for everything to load. Once your sheet is open, let's start with columns. Click the letter at the top of the column you want to resize. That highlights the entire column from top to bottom. If you want to adjust more than one at the same time, you can click and drag across multiple column letters to select a range. You can also hold Shift to select a continuous block, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select separate columns that aren't next to each other. The key is to make sure every column you want to change is highlighted before you resize. Now move your cursor to the right edge of any selected column header. You'll see the pointer change into a left-right arrow. Click and drag to the right to make the columns wider, or to the left to make them narrower. As you release the mouse, every selected column updates to that exact size, keeping your layout consistent. If you drag a little too far, don't worry. Use Undo with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to step back and try again. Take a second to zoom your sheet in or out if it helps you gauge the spacing more accurately. Let's do the same thing for rows. Click the row number on the far left to highlight a row. To adjust multiple rows together, drag down across row numbers, or use Shift for Arrange and Control or Command for separate selections. With your rows selected, move the cursor to the bottom edge of a row header until it turns into an up-down arrow. Click and drag downward to increase the height or upward to reduce it. When you release, all selected rows match the new height. As you work, keep an eye on how your data wraps and lines up. Wider columns help long text or headers breathe, and taller rows can improve readability when cells contain multiple lines. Remember, Undo is always there if you need to revert a change. And that's it. You've opened Google Sheets, selected your columns or rows, and resized them cleanly with a simple drag, keeping everything aligned and easy to read.